12 Best Superfoods for Crazy Weight Loss. You've decided that now is the time that you are definitely going to lose some weight. Perhaps you're going on holiday somewhere hot and you want to feel fabulous in your bikini or swim shorts? Or maybe you have a big, special occasion coming up and you want to get your body slim and svelte enough to fit into that teeny tiny little black dress. Maybe it's simply that you've been overindulging yourself recently and you've noticed the scales slowly tipping in the wrong direction. Then it's definitely time to ring the changes. To kickstart your weight loss journey, here are some of the very best superfoods that will help you shed pounds faster than ever before. So, get down to the supermarket and adjust your shopping list to include this list. Remember, weight loss should always be a part of a healthy living regime. Always regular exercise at least 3 times a week to get maximum results. 1. Switch your pasta to spiralized squash. Pasta is a no-no when on a diet, especially as it's refined food. You can still enjoy something similar pasta by trying spaghetti squash instead. This superfood contains 75% fewer calories than regular pasta and is full of great vitamins and minerals, for example, vitamin A and potassium. Pair it with a homemade vegetarian pasta sauce, skip the sugar, and you'll enjoy a filling meal that won't add inches to your waistline. Per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 45 calories, 12 grams carbohydrates. 2. Get hot with spicy salsa. Switch up your sugary tomato ketchup for tomato salsa. Make sure it's freshly made too so you can see exactly what ingredients you're using. Ketchup has 19 calories per tablespoon but salsa has just 5 and there's no added sugar. The tomato content is full of fiber and vitamin C, and if you like a hot pepper, whiz one up and add it to your salsa. Peppers are an excellent way of boosting metabolism because they contain capsaicin, a natural fat burner. Per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 36 calories and 7 grams carbohydrates. 3. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a brilliant food for weight loss. It's also a rich source of protein. It contains the same amount of protein as an egg. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal, add some fresh slices of fruit, and you should sail through to lunchtime without a tummy grumble. It's an excellent slow-release energy food too and good for you. Per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 68 calories and 12 grams carbohydrates. 4. Greek yogurt. Extremely healthy and high in protein, Greek yogurt is the perfect sweet pick-me-up. Have it with sliced fruit, eat it for breakfast, you can enjoy it as a snack too. Definitely switch out your fruit yogurt for Greek yogurt. Remember, fruit yogurt, even the low-fat varieties, are packed full of sugar. Greek yogurt is totally delicious too. Per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 59 calories and 3.6 grams carbohydrates. 5. Eggs. Eggs are seriously underrated when it comes to weight loss foods. They are an enormous source of protein and there are so many ways to enjoy them. Eating an egg for breakfast will help you stay fuller for longer. One hard-boiled egg contains less than 1 gram of carbs and just 54 calories. They are an excellent source of amino acids and antioxidants too, vital for healthy organs and for cell renewal. Just watch out for fried eggs and scrambled eggs, as cooking in butter or oil increases fat and calories. 6. Quinoa. Replace your rice with quinoa. It's one of the best weight loss grains you can eat. A rich source of fiber and protein, just 8 ounces, 225 grams equates to 220 calories, and as quinoa is a plant food, it contains every amino acid so the body can convert it straight into muscle. Delicious too, you can use it served on the side with hot food or make some flavorsome, filling salads with it. 7. Whole grains. Quinoa is also a whole grain, but there are other whole grains that you can eat. Change over your refined white grains, pasta, rice and white bread, for whole grains. Not only are they far better for you, but they are also lower in calories and they speed up your metabolism. Whole grains are rich in fiber too, vital for heart health. Examples of whole grains include barley, buckwheat, bulgur wheat and brown rice. Per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 265 calories and 43 grams carbohydrates. 8. Almonds. Some nuts are high in calories, but all nuts are good sources of protein and natural fiber. Eaten in moderation, they can add weight loss as a small handful will stave off hunger pangs. Just 1.4 ounces, 40 grams of almonds eaten every day could improve cholesterol levels. Studies also show that a few almonds a day can reduce your waistline. So, use them as a mid-afternoon pick-me-up instead of a calorific chocolate bar. Sprinkle chopped nuts on a plain salad or add to Greek yogurt for breakfast. 10 almonds contain around 100 calories and 6 grams of carbs. 9. Pistachios. Another nut that isn't just delicious, it's nutritious too, is the humble pistachio. Snacking on pistachios has been proven to aid weight loss, or so a study by the UCLA Center for Human Nutrition researchers tell us, when they held a study on 2 groups, each given a low-cal diet for 3 months. One group was given 220 calories of pretzels to enjoy as an afternoon snack, the others 8.5 ounces, 240 grams of pistachios. 1 month later, both groups were reviewed and the group that consumed pistachios reduced their BMI by 1 point as well as improved their cholesterol levels. 0.4 ounces, 10 grams of pistachios contains 56 calories and 3 grams carbohydrates. 10. Cayenne peppers. Cayenne peppers are known to speed up your metabolism because they contain capsaicin. This is the ingredient responsible for the spicy flavor and it helps to boost weight loss. Another study, in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, was conducted on those who supplemented their diet with capsaicin and they ate 200 fewer calories at their next meal. Per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 318 calories and 57 grams carbohydrates. 11. Sweet potato. Trade your regular potatoes to sweet potatoes. They are nutritious and contain protein, fiber and vitamin A, plus there's a 5-calorie difference per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, in favor of sweet potatoes, so you're already reducing your calorie intake by making the swap. Per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 86 calories and 20 grams carbohydrates. 12. Green tea. One of the best drinks you can have for weight loss, next to water, has to be green tea. This antioxidant tea is rich in nutrients and it boosts metabolism due to its catechins content. This is an antioxidant that is responsible for encouraging weight loss while discouraging fat. There have been many positive studies on the effects of green tea on weight loss. Try replacing your regular tea and coffee for green tea. You can drink 3 or 4 cups a day. Do be aware that green tea contains caffeine, also good for aiding weight loss as it speeds up metabolism, so if caffeine interferes with your sleeping pattern, restrict your consumption of green tea to morning only. Per cup, 0 calories and 0.7 grams of carbohydrates. A secret carb trick that burns up to 1 pound per day. If you're like most women trying to lose weight, you diet, you count calories, you tear up the treadmill, and nothing. That's how 40-year-old Sarah Donovan, an overweight mother with prediabetes, was feeling. She did everything right and never lost an inch. Until she stumbled on this strange carb pairing trick and burned away an unheard of 22 pounds in just 13 days. And because of this one simple shift in her eating, she shed pounds and inches from her body without starving herself and without a lick of exercise. With the same carb pairing trick, Sarah dropped a total of 37 pounds in the first month and she shocked her doctor by completely reversing all pre-diabetes symptoms. If you're a woman over the age of 25 who wants to reclaim her life inside the body she deserves, you should check it out for yourself.